Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. It looks like American Girl is about to release another collection, possibly a birthday collection by the looks of it, so let's talk about it in this video. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. So first, let's talk about this image. This image comes from AmericanGirlDollNews.com. It's a blog that posts American Girl news, and she has been doing it for quite a while. Remember the newly released table and chair set? Well, apparently the back of the box has this image and it features some new items that haven't been released yet. So AmericanGirlDollNews.com took a picture of the back of the box and posted them on her blog. Let's take a closer look at all of the items and let's talk. First of all, let's talk about the pink dress. Okay, this dress is a bit disappointing for me because it's so similar to the previous birthday dress that was already released. And also because all the releases now are pink or purple or pink and purple. Listen, I probably said it already a million times. American Girl needs to make money. Adult collectors are not their primary target audience. Their primary target audience is kids. So if kids want pink stuff, American Girl is going to release pink stuff. But on the other hand, I believe that not all kids want pink stuff. And also that adult collector sector is pretty large, so American Girl could release things that appeal to us. Not just to release old historical characters and their old outfits, but also give us something new. And just to prove my point here, let me bring up this Parisian collection. You probably remember these outfits, these pieces, and this collection sold so fast. There's nothing pink about it. It's white, black, and yellow, and it's so chic. And these pieces go for a lot of money on the secondary market right now. If somebody from American Girl is watching this video, this is your proof that non-pink stuff will sell if you put some effort into designing it. Don't just spit out a bunch of stuff with random colors. Put some thought into it. Create something that is classy. Anyway, here are the two birthday outfits side by side so you could compare them for yourself. I'm guessing the one on the right is getting retired. And it's been on American Girl website for a bit now. I remember when it just came out because Kat and I just stopped by at the American Girl store and it was a surprise release. Anyway, I still prefer the one on the right. I think it's more interesting, more fun, and the one on the left, the one that's about to get released, is kind of generic looking. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I'm sure some people will like it and some people won't. Anyway, drop me a comment below. I always enjoy reading comments because you guys sometimes bring up really good points that I haven't noticed before. Moving on to the next item, the birthday set. And here I'm really disappointed. I'm gonna say that hate is a strong word, so I don't hate it, but I strongly dislike it. And it's just the combination of pink and turquoise or aqua or whatever that color really is. I'm not gonna say that those two colors don't go together because sometimes they do, but you have to be very careful about how you use them. And when there's an ombre effect, they kind of go to get well together. But in this particular case, the cake just looks cheap. It reminds me a lot of the cake from my Life as birthday set, which only retails for like $10, I think. And for $10, I don't mind the colors that I don't like because I purchased it for other things. And by the way, if you haven't seen my video review of this set, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. But the American Girl set is probably going to cost like $40, $50. And for that price, I don't want to recolor a cake. I want to be happy with my purchase the way I purchase it, right? Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about this birthday set as well. I definitely prefer the birthday set on the right, even though when it came out, it was a little bit too bright for me, but I grew to like it. And yeah, in my opinion, it's a much better birthday set than the one on the left. But I'm guessing the one on the right is getting retired. So if you wanted to purchase it, this is a good time. Unless American Girl puts it on clearance. And finally, the second dress. or outfit that's about to come out is this blue dress. From this picture, it's really hard to tell what kind of fabric was used for this dress and the exact shade of it, but you can definitely see the American Girl stars pattern on it. So there's that. The design of the dress is very cute, fluffy. I do like it. I'm not sure if I will like the dress itself. Now let's take a closer look at the shoes. It looks like the socks are the same socks that come with Truly Me dolls, but the boots are definitely new. The boots have small heels, which I think is really cute. The design is new. I'm pretty sure we haven't had similar shoes before, so at least American Girl is making something new and we're not just getting recolors of things that were previously released. I'd really like to see this outfit in person and probably buy it because I'm 99% sure that I'm not buying the pink birthday dress or the new birthday set. To me, spring 2024 release is disappointing to say the least. You know, I strongly dislike the kitchen, even though not everything's bad about that kitchen, but the colors and the printed things on the tiles, I just dislike them. And it's just way too much pink. In my opinion, this amount of pink doesn't make American Girl brand look better. It doesn't make it appeal to younger kids. It kind of makes it look cheaper because our generation in my life has used a lot of pink. In my personal opinion, spring 2024 release looks so much more like an Our Generation release or even My Life as release than it does as an American Girl release. It just doesn't speak to me, and I know some people like it, so I'm glad at least there is some segment of the target market that likes it, but I personally don't. As for the release date, it might be any Tuesday or Thursday in April. It might be even this Tuesday or this Thursday. I can't tell you exactly which day, but Tuesdays and Thursdays are usually the days when American Girl releases new stuff. I don't know why these sets didn't get released at the same time as the new kitchen stuff, but maybe American Girl wanted to split them up thematically, or maybe they just didn't get the shipment yet. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.